Alright, so let me log back in. You can see I'm having, if I scroll down, I have to check my room. So this is built or wrapped around a game, a chess game. Yeah, but it's a forum. It's actually not okay. That's not my problem. So I currently have one room and it's encrypted. A room. Oh shit. So just give it a second. Cursor is still working on the background. Alright, so let's go now. Sorry, I was trying to sort out a message. Alright. So first of all, I see I created the first this thing I created is encrypted. So let me create pynop knob. Alright, not encrypted. It's going to be a forum. It's not an encrypted room. This is just a regular room. So you give it some time to load up. Yeah, so let me try. Hello. So what did I do wrong? Okay, that's our first message. It took quite a long time to come up. But yeah, this is Suban. Okay, let me try making a call. Alright. So let me minimize this. My camera is out. So I still have a problem with microphone. But let me try screen share permission violate. I think it's browser problem. Yeah. I think it's a problem with my browser, right? Yeah, it's definitely a problem with my browser. Because my browser is not letting me communicate my microphone. Or is there something else using my microphone? That's fine. Just need to sort that out. Oh, that's my env file. That's interesting. Alright. Okay, so I do not like that. Let's go out of here. Alright, so the microphone problem is still not sorted. What was said was the problem of the microphone. Let's check. Okay, so right now I think a lot is going on. Oh no, this is not it. Okay, so I can't keep up with that. Yeah, I've been doing, but good thing is, display is not allowed in this document. Okay, I can now tell it's a Pi environment problem. Yeah, so there should be a way to bypass it, because I do believe that the Pi browser and the current packages we are using for SDK is quite outdated. But good thing is camera worked, and like you saw me. So let me bring that back in. I can't scroll, that's the problem. I can literally not scroll. I need the main. video source. That's all our options right now. Alright, let me drop in a chat. Hello. So we can chat in person while we are still, still discussing. So that's interesting. So I hope to fix microphone, and then currently we don't know how many people this can carry, but yeah. So okay. So let's go out of game. Yep. So let me try playing a game. So the thing about games here is it's an interesting phenomenon. You can play against computer, but you can choose to play against a player. Pi wallet required to play for Pi. Add Pi wallet. Okay, so I can see certain things. Interesting. So first thing first, I didn't add my Pi wallet. Let me look for a Pi wallet and add. Do I have a Pi wallet? Yeah, my Pi wallet is compromised. So okay, I'm thinking of where to get Pi wallet. Telegram. Alright, Telegram. Alright, so chat and save to messages. Okay, so let's scroll up. Let's scroll up a bit. We'll find everything here. Okay, as you can see, this should be my compromised Pi wallet. So let me add it, Ctrl V, and then let me save that. Alright, so I now have a Pi wallet. I can now play against somebody, right? But that is not yet implemented. Oh shit. Alright, I just want to play against a computer and I get told not authorized. Let me play as a beginner. So there was once I did a stream about something relating to this. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so I'm supposed to make the first move. Let me make this bigger so that you can see. Yeah, so let me go. Oh shit, the game has started. Let's go. Let me show you guys something. I've been playing chess all my life. Oh, bro, sorry. Yep. Yeah, let me go here. I definitely do not know what that is, but I like that. Okay. So now let's play that. Yeah, that's a better choice. So if the king moves, we have to pick one person here. Yep. So let's go with this. Now with this. Yep. So, oh shit! Did he just hit me? Come on, bro. That's really not fair. I mean, I could just use my king and do all the bullshit, but it's fine. Let's play fair. I mean, like, who teaches this computer how to play this smart? I think you should definitely end it there. Like, the level of risks you are taking is quite interesting, I must admit. You don't play this dirty. So, just escape that by a mile, but never to worry. So, this is when you have to say either you give up or you give in. Either ways, you're still going to lose, Right. So nope, nope. I'm not having good moves here. So let me play that. Alright. So right now we have to hit somebody. And we need to trap the king. So where can you go? You can go there. So you have to move. Who is on white? Somebody has to be on white. Let me put this guy on. Okay. Let me just put him there for sake of time. Someone has to be on white because he's playing white. You're on white. Oh yeah, play your white. So now we can trap him. We can trap him. Ah shit, he's playing the game. There's no problem. You can keep on playing the game. Wait a minute. Who is the closest? This is the closest. Yeah. Let's try to push him out. Now, most of the times we moved. Hey, that's a very terrible move. So let me, because I'm about to lose one. So let's play equal. So our king has him on all white close here. So we need to trap him on all green on precurrent moves that he can make. But this guy is not accepting to enter green, so maybe let's play that. Okay. He's trying to outsmart us. That's nice. That's a very terrible move. What should we do? What should we do? What should we do? He's definitely going to hit him. But if he hits him, we need someone that can play straight line and return that. But we can't do that right now. So I think we give him to this guy. This guy is always escaping. Yeah, so this on green and this stay on white. Nobody on green. He's trying to outsmart us. You know what? We'll give you eating. Go and eat. Why are you refusing to eat? Come and eat. So we need him to make just one move. That's terrible. But already you can, like, guess the entire stuff about the game. So now this the game is like independent of the entire forum at this point in time. But yeah, we hope to make shit. Okay, let's play even. So what's his chances of staying in white? Let's play even. You know what? Let's keep going. I have 5 more minutes. Squeeze. No, somebody has to play. Somebody has to play. What has happened in the game? Somebody. The timer is not moving. That's the interesting part. The timer is not moving. What's that? Okay, so I think it's because of the sandbox environment. We can't do full screen. Yeah. Somebody has to play, and they're not. No. This is a flaw in the game that we have noticed. All right. Okay. So Suban, that's Suban phase 1. The 3 key components of Suban right now is we just have one game. No, we are meant to have so many games, but the selling point of this is not the games. The selling point of this is a platform whereby users can come up and have a discussion. It's like a forum, right? Okay, let me try encrypted room. So it's like a forum. You can make calls. You guys can be on calls as long as you want. You can make donation to the team. Because staying on calls for a very long time is so bad for this server, and we have to pay for a lot of APIs. So yeah, but yeah, you can see it got my name here. The team, you can switch it. The white, whoever likes white has a great future. So there is a problem there that I have come to notice. You know what? Let's play master. Whatever you want to do, you do. Today we play. We feast. I said no problem. Today we feast. Angada. So come on now, bro. What? So we likely said we feast. We feast. Do sincerely means we feast. So this is okay. So this is much more interesting than this is much more interesting. I need someone to go for the attack. I need someone to go for the attack. Okay. Let's play that. Okay. So we have whatever this is. We have just one of it, and that is so bad, because that is biggest advantage in every single game. Yeah, that's what I was just saying right now. Because if we don't have them moving as you want them moving, that's bad for business. Okay. So we need a defensive formation here. I don't know who can move down there. Yeah, move down there. Alright. So we need a snipe from here to that guy. So he definitely will not hit anybody, but we need to intercept him. And how do we do that? So I do not know the rule that governs this one right now. But let me try my luck. If he's going to hit me. Shit. It did try to hit me. Okay. Can we reverse that? I just missed a very delicate game. Can we? We cannot. We cannot. Oh dear. Cannot reverse that. Alright. So let me move this guy up. This guy. Yeah. I wish we could move towards the side. Not a problem. I mean, if you try threatening me, I'll show you the threat back. That's a very dangerous game to play. In my heart, I knew that was dangerous. But we did not have a choice. We needed to play somebody out there. Okay, who can hit him from there? Nobody? Nobody? Why do you guys even exist? Oh shit. Who is winning? Who is winning? Who is winning? Who is winning? No. Okay. But yeah, I know my problem. It's flight mode. That was just the entire problem right now. That was a very dirty game. I didn't know what the plan was there, but I'm definitely not getting anybody out of that game. So, brethren, as you can see, this is my first attempt with a master and have lost. So this doesn't use like kind of like an AI cognition or something like that. Alright. You have to. Oh, shit. I just missed one game. No, you haven't checked me. Relax. I'm going to play your game. Check me there. That would be the craziest move I've ever seen. Check me there. Okay, shit. We didn't have him where we wanted. But that's fine. Let's keep dragging him. That's a very terrible move. Okay. So I just saw the move, and yeah. So what? Oh my goodness, we can't play backwards. This is the worst chess I've ever seen in my life. So we need him on white. What do we need to do to put him on white? We need to go higher again. Alright. That's a bet. Yeah, he's not willing to take that bet. I bet. What happened? It's a draw. I can tell you, I'm not a good chess player, but for the past 23 minutes in this game I've been working on, I've been able to beat the computer severally. As you can see, we ended with a draw, and the computer decided to give in to the draw. So that's quite yeah, that's quite interesting. Who has the highest?